Today's video is extra exciting because I am finally packing for Japan. Paul and I are headed back to Japan for 3 weeks, and it honestly feels surreal. From the moment we left 3 years ago, we knew we wanted to return. So this trip has been a long time coming, and I'm so glad the time has finally arrived. Last time we visited Tokyo, Kyoto, Nara, and Fujikawakuchiko in just 2 weeks, and it simply wasn't enough time. So that is why we were planning to head back for 3 weeks, and we're also going to be seeing Osaka this time, and I just cannot wait. So you may be wondering, Sam, when are you headed to Japan? We are going at the end of fall, heading into winter, so layering is key. Last time we were there at the very beginning of winter, and it was actually surprisingly not too cold. Mornings and evenings got very cold, but during the day it was crisp out, sunshine, and sometimes surprisingly warm. So this time I'm focusing on pieces that can transition easily. Think long sleeve shirts, sweaters, beanies, a chunky scarf, and of course, comfortable walking shoes. And while I'm trying to pack smarter this time, I am also trying to travel smarter. And thanks to Airlo, we are doing just that. So let me tell you, the last time we landed, Paul and I were so exhausted from the long flight. We wanted to head straight to the hotel room, but instead we had to wait in those long lines to get our SIM card. It was honestly the last thing we wanted to deal with. That's why this time we are using Airlo. It's an app that lets you download an eSIM straight to your phone, so you're instantly connected the moment you land. No more waiting in long lines, no more searching for SIM kiosks. It is going to save us so much time. I honestly wish we had known about this before. So here's how it works. Download the Airlo app free today and use my code SAMF3 to get $3 off your first eSIM. Choose your eSIM plan. They have local, regional, and global options in over 200 countries. Purchase and install your eSIM while on Wi-Fi. It only takes a few minutes. Then when you arrive at your destination, you just turn it on and you are instantly connected. And don't forget to use my code SAMF3 for $3 off your first eSIM. Thank you so much, Airlo, for sponsoring today's video. I have to say, the people in Tokyo are so stylish. I was in awe the last time. It felt playful, edgy, and very expressive. Everyone had such a unique way of putting their outfits together. I definitely don't have that much style. As you can see, I'm just a basic girly, basic tee and jeans. But I will show you what I'm bringing with me on my 3-week vacation to Japan. So let's get into the fun part, packing. Under most of these outfits, I will be wearing Uniqlo's Heat Tech clothing. They are thermal-based layers and fit perfectly under shirts and pants. I currently only own one shirt, but I will be purchasing more when I arrive in Japan. I will be bringing a big coat, which is perfect to throw over all of these outfits. As you can see, I will be repurposing many of the items as all the places we will be staying at have a washer and a dryer. In total, I will be bringing 5 pairs of pants, 2 jackets, 1 coat, a vest, and an assortment of long sleeve shirts and sweaters. And of course, some accessories like hats, a chunky scarf, and sunnies. As far as shoes go, I will be bringing my comfy Reeboks and some black boots. Most of these items are thrifted. It's actually one thing I'm really looking forward to doing in Japan. I really want to get a piece of clothing as a souvenir. I've been looking for a good trench coat, so I'm hoping to find one there. I can also make more outfits from everything I'm showing you, but I think this can give you enough outfit inspo for your own trip. One of the things I'm looking forward to is returning to the places we fell in love with. For me, it was Nara. I could honestly spend days there, and that's why I'm so excited we're going there for actually one night. And it was just so special and yet magical, surrounded by nature, history, and of course, the deer. Paul, on the other hand, cannot wait to return to Tokyo. He is a city boy at heart. He loves the energy, the late night buzz, and of course, the food. And since this time we're heading somewhere new, Osaka, I am very excited to explore, and who knows, I might just fall in love with Osaka as well. So I will be bringing a check-in large luggage, which is so nice because the last time I just had a carry-on. I will also be bringing my Osprey carry-on backpack, which leaves plenty of room to bring back some souvenir items. Of course, I'll be bringing home some matcha, some ceramics, and maybe little trinkets to decorate our home. No trip is complete without camera gear. We will be bringing our 2 Fujifilm cameras, the X-T4 and X-H2S, 3 different lenses, a Peak Design camera strap, SD cards, 2 tripods, a suction phone mount, and my Rode mics. So that's everything I'm packing for my 3-week vacation in Japan. If you guys have been to Japan before, I'd love to know the favorite spots you have visited, and subscribe if you want to see our upcoming Japan trip, or if you just like to see life here in France. And I'll see you soon in Japan.